welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I can take these 4 ingredients from the Dollar Tree and make a delicious, fast and easy meal. For this meal I have the beef patties, some Italian blend shred, some tortillas, and some mixed vegetables. To start my beef and cheese burritos, I want to turn my skillet onto medium heat and put about 1 tablespoon of oil in the skillet. Now that my skillet is hot, I am going to put my beef patties in the skillet and I'm going to fry these up and then crumble them. In a small pot, I have 1 tablespoon of butter. I am going to put a half a cup of water, and I'm going to put the whole pack of my mixed vegetables. I'm going to turn this to a medium heat and bring this to a boil. And to my ground beef, I'm going to put some freshly ground black pepper, a little bit of garlic and herb Mrs. Dash, and some onion powder. And I'm going to give that a mix. To my vegetables, I am just going to add a little bit of garlic and herb Mrs. Dash. I'm going to give that a good stir. And I'm going to continue to let this boil until the vegetables are soft. To make my burritos, you're going to take some of your burger, put it onto your tortilla. Then put some cheese on top. Then you want to roll your tortilla. And continue with the rest of your burritos. Still have some tortillas left and some cheese, so I am just going to make some cheese tortillas. Same concept as with the beef. Just put some cheese on your tortilla and roll them up. To fry up my burritos, I am going to put my skillet on the stove, turn it on to medium heat, and put about 2 tablespoons of oil into my skillet. And I'm going to let that come up to temperature. My oil is hot and I want to put the seam down into the skillet, and I want to fry the burritos. As you can see, making a delicious meal from the Dollar Tree with 4 ingredients is this easy. If you like this video or you like this type of content, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below if you like beef burritos or cheese burritos. Thank you for watching.